I need to support my family, so nobody should say I'm leeching off the government, even though I work for the government.
Why isn't this 14-year-old boy at work? Probably because he's at school right now.
Did you see the Lakewood one? It was so. What? What?
Tortoise Court ASMR is the best thing in the world. That is. What Tati wrote that? Yes. Actor one. Well, he can't do that if he keeps saying, "Oh, I lost my job. Feel bad for me." Your ASMR be like, "So
That's...
I just lost my job. Here's my tortoise." No, you have to be like, "So nice. I just lost my job." So you have to be perfect.
It keeps falling. This keeps falling off. Right there, it keeps falling off.
Like, why does Tyler Oliveira get 1 million views and this gets like one?
Are you an a-hole?
Hey, I don't want to get. Look, even the Tortoise is upset.
Why don't you go to KJ and harass people? Tyler does that already. Actually, I do that. So. Oh, Oliveira is in the files because he went on the island. It's not in the files, but he went on the island.
Yeah, he's
We
probably.
want to do a fashion show.
I think Israel is paying Tyler Oliveira to harass anti-Zionist Jews. That's my conspiracy theory.
Fashion show.
No. So why did you watch video?
So I could react to it. I could.
Fashion show.
Did that?
I didn't make a reaction video. I just made a response video.
Let's play a fashion show.
Tati.
What?
I don't even think they could see him.
Well, I got a doctor. I don't have time for this.
You just
I don't want to lose my job.
no. Look at him. Hello.
I mean, you could put it on TV and see if you could see it.
No, I can see it. He's looking right at the camera.
Let's do it. I want to do a fashion show instead.
Oh, this is what I'm bad at. Taking care of it.
Baby, I want to
Look up by the night, I'll hit him by the foot on my shirt.
Baby, I want to do a fashion show. Baby. Baby.
No.
Mommy, I want to do a fashion show.
Mommy. Frankie. Yes.
You should watch that video of Rabbi Landau Shira I went to last Shabbos. No. He says all the problems in marriage are the man's fault.
I think that when you're hitting home people, all the problems in marriage are because of society. You ate that whole salada? Is this alive? You know how much
Live streams I usually get more views than. I don't get as many views as.
Hey, funny. You went too fast. You scared him.
As shorts, but shorts don't make us look funny.
Not real bug. He's not a real bug.
You
Alright,
want
I'll
it?
grab and then I'll start helping you. I gotta start cooking for Shabbos too. Do we have gefilte fish?
No.
Not in the freezer?
Okay.
Safaliobi, I'm gonna get some whole flag.
And then over there. I can't find anything in
You need like a mic. Plug into your.
You hear the crunching of the tortoise. He needs to like eat like some crunchy like carrots.
Does anybody have a sharpener? Does anybody have a sharpener?
No.
Oh.
Turtle.
Turtle power.
That's what someone said.
Wait, why can't I see this?
You can't see it? They're the world's most fearsome fighting team. I don't want to get a copyright strike.
Bro, you already have like 5.
I just, you know what? Stooge Mania gave me copyright strikes because they also use the same public domain. A movie from when I was 2 years old that also used the same public domain movies that I used in my show. Gave me a copyright strike, so I responded to it. But it's not a copyright strike, but it's like, this video cannot be monetized.
This is a tortoise. Cordless gamer. He just asked if it's a turtle or tortoise. It's a tortoise.
But tortoises are turtles. They're a type of turtle.
You gotta hold it still.
He's still a tortoise.
Russian tortoise. And he seems to be Russian. To eat this salad. He quit Stalin. He got Russian. And
Is that
War puns. Yeah, when you laugh, it makes it shake, and then mommy gets mad at you. And then what happens?
Mommy just said he is cute. Help us name him. Isn't his
Louis?
Louis?
Razy? What's his like
Our other
nickname?
turtle was Shemp, but he ran away.
Where?
So now we need a Luke Costello.
Let's do this where.
Or is it Joe Besser? Stinky.
No, his name is
We have a
Lou
Joe
Liam.
in this house.
Yeah,
Louis
but
Liam
he's stinky.
Costello.
Let's do this.
Gina, put on some pants. Peggy, it's moving so much.
I'm
That's
sorry.
why I just put it. Well, what if you put it down? That's what we can find out now. No, put it how I had it.
Like this?
Yeah.
Where? How it's zoomed in?
I don't know. Well, now you have to zoom it out, I guess.
Now it's cute. No.
All right, ask. Now, mommy can tell us. Can you
Okay,
see
is that
it?
no, Dina?
Yeah, it looks great.
Okay.
It was better. No.
I told you.
Oh, I got an email from work, so I gotta. What if you put it on the tree? Well, no, then it's.
There we
Oh,
go.
look at that. Yeah, because Peggy's holding it. I think. How many viewers do we have?
4. But there's Dina, stop it. But there's like a lot of comments. Dina, stop it.
Hello, little guy. You're just so cute.
Can I put it on the tree? There we go.
Oh, that works. I didn't even think of it that way.
Baby.
I just need to make sure it doesn't fall.
It's not gonna-
Okay.
All right, I got it down. Late.
It's adorable. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello, hello.
Stop it.
What are these crowns? What are we doing?
It's so cute. Beep, beep, beep.
Dina. Dina.
That's like when I was a kid and my father, he called the radio station WPDH and they said they'll pay you money if you have a pig oink, and he had one, but then I picked up the phone and was like, hi, this is Joe, so I want to be on the radio, and my father's like, you just cost me money because I actually had the pig oinking. Our pig's name was Wolfgang. He was named after Mozart.
Yeah, stop singing.
You better not copyright that song you're singing, Dina. And then sue me.
Dina, Tati
We got-
has 5 copyright strikes already.
It's not copyright strike, it's, I don't know how to take
Okay, it's done.
No, it's not. He's not done eating.
The cute thing is when he eats.
What? He's cute whenever. Dina, don't. No. Leave it there.
Tracy, go get the duvet cover. Go get the duvet and I'm gonna take a picture of it. No.
Dina, stop it.
Please, it will complete my whole.
It's not even in the.
Oh,
thing.
it's not. Let's put it next to it.
Now it'll be as viral as the
No.
monkey with the toy monkey.
Yes.
Dina,
But
stop.
we're not in Japan, so.
You're wolf eating.
No, that is a toy that doesn't eat.
But it looks like it's eating.
Sometimes when the kid put the toy there, he like looks at the toy and then looks at the food, looks at the toy, looks at the food.
Now you scared him. Dina, just leave him alone.
Hello.
Yeah, this guy's more shy than shy.
Hello, everybody.
Really? Look
Dina!
what you just did, Dina. Now you scared him.
Running away.
Oh, he's walking away.
You just ruined
Now
the
you're
whole
not
live
friends
stream.
eating.
Just
No.
like me. Dina, just like
Stop.
me with the pig.
Stop.
With Wolfgang the pig.
Now you're making your daughter upset. Dina, don't be upset.
No, you're making me upset.
I'm making. How?
Can you fix the
Yelling at me.
thermometer probe?
No, I think that's probably good where it is, no? That makes it hotter, right? Because it's higher up?
It's like, are you taping me? Yes, I am. Taping.
Stop it, it's over.
Oh look, he's so cute.
He's not eating though.
So.
Alright.
Okay,
1, 2,
now
3, 4.
send
That's a
it
good
to
time.
mommy.